Good morning. Today is the last day of the Climate Change Web Quest. There's Task 7, Task 8, and Task 9. Task 7 is going to have you watching a video by National Geographic. The questions you're going to answer is how we can cut global carbon emissions by a third, what's special about the new building in Mexico City, what's special about the Paris street tiles, and how much carbon would be reduced if people drove 10 miles less every day. Let's take a look at the video.
Climate change. It's real, it's serious, and it's up to us to solve it. In the last 2 decades, we've experienced 14 of the hottest 15 years on record. By 2050, drought and chronic water shortages could impact 1 billion people, while millions more will be at risk from coastal flooding. It can seem overwhelming, but there's reason for hope. If we embrace solar and wind power to their full potential, we can cut the world's yearly carbon emissions by a third. Already, Germany generates 27% of its electricity from renewables, with a goal of 80% by 2050. Denmark has shown it can produce more wind energy than it can use, and England is building the world's biggest offshore wind farm. Communities large and small are taking steps. A new public building in Mexico City has an exterior that breaks down air pollutants, erasing the effects of 1,000 cars each day. Paris installed street tiles that harvest energy from foot traffic. Other cities are paving streets with smog-eating concrete and sidewalks with recycled materials. Individuals can make a difference too, through the choices we make every day. If every American driver drove 10 miles less each week, it could eliminate more than 100 billion pounds of carbon from the air each year. New innovations are making important strides possible, and more are on the way, but we can't wait. Reimagining our world's energy future will take a shared sense of urgency from countries, companies, cities, and all of us. Working together, real change is possible. Learn more at natgeo.com/climate.
Alright, so you're going to have access to this National Geographic video again anyways to rewatch, but you saw that there were different ways of reducing carbon emissions, such as renewable clean energy like wind power and solar energy. It also went over some new innovations, such as the street tiles that were discussed in Paris and the Mexico City building that is able to break down carbon dioxide. However, just keep in mind that any effort must be made globally. One city can do the work, but pollution and carbon dioxide moves through the atmosphere with weather and wind, and whatever one city does can affect another city. So if there are cities out there and countries out there not abiding by reducing carbon emissions, it affects everybody globally. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this game. Some of you, unfortunately, may not have access to the game, but I will go over and show you how to play it for those who are able to, and for those who are not able to, I'm going to play 3 times. It's asking to include those 3 scores, and to summarize what you learned from the game. The game is called Offset, it's from NASA. In this game, you're going to have to take factories and replace them from coal factories into renewable energy such as solar and wind power. That's $1,000. Replant trees that lumberjacks cut down, which is $100, and upgrade cars, which is $133 per car. Now, you have to also stop the carbon dioxide emissions from escaping into the atmosphere, and you do that by using this paddle. You can either do that by hitting the down button along with A for left or D for right. Every time carbon dioxide escapes, the temperature goes up. Once the temperature hits the top of the meter, the game is over. Again, I'll show you what I mean. So, I'm going to play the game for the first time. So, I'm going to drag the paddle across. The paddle's going to stop the carbon dioxide from escaping. There's 1. There's 2. Build more trees, put them back in place. Up, 1, 2. Bring back more trees. Stop the carbon dioxide. I'm trying to get enough to replace one of the factories, but I'm getting more carbon dioxide the more I neglect. Okay. Kind of neglecting the cars here, but I will get to those. I'm gonna try and replace all the trees right now just so I can get more money. Oh, and I lost one. You'll notice that the carbon dioxide starts moving faster as the game goes on. You need about another $400, $300 for a new factory. And there. You have to be quick to try and stop this. Oh! No! So definitely not being quick on the paddle there. Unfortunately, my mouse is getting stuck, so every time I move this, it's not, and I let go, I can't move it again. So I've kind of been neglecting the cars. I'm gonna have to upgrade those. Not enough money here. So that was one time. I got a score of 1,041. I'm not sure why the game ended, so let's play again for the second time. Not fantastic video games, but this is a pretty easy one once you get the hang of it. Unfortunately, the last time I neglected the cars and upgrading those, so I did release quite a bit of carbon dioxide that way. Almost enough for one factory upgrade. Upgrade. Stopping carbon dioxide to the best of my ability. Increase the amount of money, so let's let that go a little bit. Plant some trees, plant some trees. Plant some trees. Place another factory. To rebuild the trees. I'm using a lot of trees. So I have all my trees back. Upgrade this. Upgrade the car. Upgrade. Upgrade. Not to neglect the cars and trees, but I'm gonna have to replace that lost factory too. And I missed two. Replace that last factory. Coming up on $1,000 to do so. And replace. Grow. As you can see, the carbon dioxide moves a lot faster. So 1,000, I went down by 41 this time. I'm going to stop the part 1 of this video, and I'm going to do a part 2 to show you the third game for those who can't access it. So please sit tight and then go to the second link for this.